Let's talk about drones. They're the last thing you'll see in the sky if you're enjoying yourself at a wedding or minding your own business in a poor brown country. I can make that joke. I'm Pakistani. Increasingly, these drones are becoming popular in richer countries like Qatar as well. Although they look a bit different and they are far less likely to kill you in your sleep. Here's what they're doing instead. This is Dr. Hamind Menouar. If this man and his team of 2 trusty sidekicks have their way, we'll have drones all around us pretty soon. Menouar works at the Qatar Mobilty Innovations Center and for the past 3 years has been tinkering with a project called Drone ITS with funding from the Qatar National Research Fund.
Drone ITS, as the name says, you have 2 components. You have the drone and you have ITS. ITS stands for Intelligent Transport Systems. So the idea is to investigate the possibilities of using drones to enable applications around intelligent transport system. So intelligent transport system means improving the traffic, improving the road services quality, improving road safety.
One of the ways he's doing this is with a drone he has ominously named the Flying Police Eye. This drone can take off from a police car and monitor traffic at various junctions and roadways around it, streaming the video to a tablet in the police car. This gives the officers unprecedented mobility. By taking out the unnecessary driving, it also gives the officers more time to munch on donuts and sip karak. But wait, there's more.
And additionally, what we have implemented, which is very interesting, so we used artificial intelligence to enable the drone with the capability to track and follow any suspicious vehicle. So the police can select, for example, the tablet, any vehicle, and the drone will start tracking it.
Now, I know what you're thinking, that Saad, are we inching ever closer to a Orwellian nightmare where nothing is ever free from the stony, unflinching eye of the police state? And to that I say, maybe? But don't worry, climate change will kill us all well before that ever happens. Until then, here are some other cool things these drones can do. Flying RSU. A roadside unit warns nearby cars if there has been a car crash or incident nearby, and that they should go a different route or slow down. With these drones, a roadside unit can be flown immediately to wherever needed and warn drivers of upcoming problems. This ensures that traffic moves smoothly and safely. The second use case is called Flying IoT Gateway. I'll let Menouar explain this one.
IoT stands for Internet of Things. So connecting any object, your fridge, your microwave, any sensor, this is Internet of Things. So now Internet of Things are usually connected to the internet all the time to be able to transmit and receive data. Now imagine you have sensors deployed in your campus, for example, they are not connected to the internet. Either because there is no internet connectivity, or maybe you don't want to connect them because you want to save money, or because you care about security. Not being connected to the internet is more secure. Now, how do you collect this data that is collected by those sensors? The idea that we developed is that the drone can fly over those sensors and push the data that has been collected by those sensors. And then come back to the landing or home landing station, lands, and push the data to the internet.
All these use cases may sound like they're years away, but Menouar has told me that they're already all around us. For example, construction companies in Qatar have been using drones for site surveys and time lapses for years now. The Ministry of Interior has recently started using drones to monitor large events. So the next time you gaze out of a car window or look over your shoulder, there might just be a drone looking back at you.